Hello everyone, this is Manuel Sankata from CatersGraphix. Today we will be learning a new tool on how to wrap text in any custom shape of your choice in Adobe Illustrator CC 219 to 20, whatever choice yours may be, or whatever pack is installed in your own PC. So just like we did to the Wolfpack Movers logo, the Wolfpack, the downside is swapped up, and so giving it a little likely nice little twinky effect. And I think you enjoyed this logo we designed, so let's move and understand how to make this custom shapes with any text of your choice. So here we are. So we are gonna create some custom texts and we're gonna use them on some shapes like I will show. So we make a simplified text, then Control A, you can hold the shift button to adjust this to preferred shape, then hold onto the Alt key and drag down to multiply the text as you to any number you like. I think so. We are done with the text. We need 3 texts to make some custom shapes align with them. So at first we are going to make a circular, I will not say circular, Ctrl Z, the spherical shape. Okay, spherical shape, we're going to make it, and what you got to do first is you have to click option on the text, then go to create outline. So it will be outlined. What I mean by outline is it gives your text shapes constructively, which means you can basically reshape these. Let me show you. And basically reshape these stuffs. As you can see, that's what outlining text simply means. You can convert it to whatever you like. So with that being known, we can go back to back. So what you go do is you drag the text you have already outlined under the shape you want it to move on to, then select the boats, just click and drag, select the boat, so the boat are selected, then you go to objects, you go to envelope distort, then click make with top object. So we are making this top object simply. See what we got? Very simple. So next we are gonna make with a rectangular shape, something like this, and sometimes make sure your shape align or is in good shape or almost at good length of shape with your text. See what I'm doing right there? Okay, very good. So just shift it by the side, whether you want to outline. I've told you the reason why you outline in case you would like to reshape your text in the future, but we will be making a tutorial for that in the future. So what you do, you move under the custom shape, then you select and click option envelope, then you make. Okay, now we didn't see any effect because this is the same shape with the text, so we'll be making something a little more different. So I will be making this to be a little curved. No, yeah, exactly like what we have in the wolf pack logo. So once we selected, once we are selected, click object envelope and make it top. See what we got there? So the next one, we are going to be a little tricky, so we can find out some bugs or errors that we might be facing in case we have made a little bit mistake from our custom shape alignments. So we have this, and we're making the shape. Okay, so now we are moving the text. Okay, let me change the colors so you understand exactly what went wrong. Okay, you see now, right now the custom shape is above the text. So we're going to move the text above the custom shape, or we're going to move the custom shape beneath the text. So let's move the custom shape. Either way is the same. Click on transform, or click on arrange, then you bring send to back. Okay, send to back to move it right back the text. Okay, see what we have here. Now the text is above the custom shape. I'm trying to show you the error you're gonna face in the future if you make a mistake on following my instructions. So click on object again, click on envelope distort, make top object. So remember, if you're making top object, you're simply telling Illustrator to make the text, the object, to be in the shape of the text, which is sometimes somehow impossible. Okay, so when you do, you receive an error like this. You see, so this requires a section of multiple objects. So blah 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 blah. This simply means the custom shape should be above the text. So we're gonna rearrange that. So we bring front, okay, then we select, then we click on object. Now what we are doing is gonna work. Very good. So we got this, and we got this. Okay, so we are gonna move to a little bit more complex kind of shape building. Okay, so watch me as I do this. So you select the rectangular, the spherical tool, the circle tool, you make it spherical. So we have this. Okay, I'm gonna make this black so we don't get derailed. Very good. So we have this. What you're gonna do next, you select the pen tool, drag, and is that necessary? No, we have not gone to that yet. So what you're gonna do here is you select this tool, you select the direct selection tool, select this part of the screen. Okay, when you select this part, select part, it will bring out the anchor points. So we're gonna do is click on this point. Remember, we are trying to create a fish. Click on this point. You do the same to the other side. Click on this point. Very good. So what you got to do is click on the alternate key and click on the selection tool first, then you click on the alternate key to double this shape. So when we double the shape and select the boat, you see what we have here. So what you need now is we want to cut out some parts in this shape. In this other shape, we want to cut out the part beneath it. So what we're gonna do is we select the pen tool. So we click and drag right here, click on escape button, then select the boats. Okay, once you select the boat, you gotta go to Windows and click on the Pathfinder to bring out the Pathfinder option. So when you bring the Pathfinder option, you have to divide this. Okay, when we're done with dividing this, you can hide this if you want. If you don't want to leave it there. When we are done dividing, you see we have two custom shape, including this, making it three. So when we have two custom shape, you click on it, click option and ungroup this. If you ungroup, you are telling it to separate this shape from this other shape. So we're ungrouping. So once we ungroup, we click on one, we can simply select and delete. Okay, when select and delete, we can select this boat, then we have to join these two shapes to become one by clicking on this unite button. You see, now we have just simply one custom shape. Very good. So next we are going to do, click on your pen tool, click on the bottom side, double click on it, then you have to, okay, no, we made the wrong choice. What we're gonna click on is on the curvature tool, double click on the bottom side, then I'm gonna double click, okay, so that I can get a shape like a fish tail. Very good. So we have this now. So we make our first fish in Adobe Illustrator. So what next you're gonna do, you have to multiply this shape by holding the alternate key, drag and multiply. So this we're gonna write fish, wrong spelling. Okay, so now we hold on the control key, control A, you hold on the shift key, you zoom it up. Very good. We see if it aligns well. It does. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you push it, make sure it's above, make sure this is above. Arrange, bring front. Okay, so when you bring front, click on option, object, then you envelope make with the top object. So we have fish text. Okay, but we have a problem here. This is not well aligned at the other side. If you look closely here, someone might not know exactly if this is a F or so. So we'll be using the second shape we built to build something a little more different and more unique. So you click type fish, Control A, then select, click on the shift button, zoom, and we have what we want. Very good. So what we're gonna do here, we're gonna separate these. We're gonna make cut here. Very good. Click on escape key. Click on escape key. Once more, you join this together. Select the both. Then you have to divide. So once we divide, you click on option, on group. Very good. So once we on group, we have two shapes here. So what we're gonna make with this fish is the second shape and the fish. Okay, so we click the second shape and the fish. How we do that, we bring this down so we don't confuse ourselves with the other shape right above here. Very good. So we select the boat, we click on objects, then we envelope the dots, and we make it. Very good. So now we have the fish, so we gotta move it above here, and we have what we want. Okay, now we gotta